Hola! So, I started this video with the intention of saying something and I just forgot right now. Oh, yay. So let's see. Today is a Sunday. It's a lazy Sunday. I cleaned my room, pretended to do my homework. And then when I went out, I went to Kohl's and I went to Borders. And I got a ring. Ta-da! Hold on. It's actually pretty cool, if you ask me. It was on sale, so why not? I don't know if you can tell what the color is. It's like a purple. I don't know what finger to put it on. Anyways, I have really bad hiccups. Oh, God. Okay. I went to Borders, and I got Life in the Fat Lane. And on the cover it says, it's like a summary. I hope you don't take this the wrong way, Laura. Okay, I'm confused. If you're gonna name a kid Laura, is it gonna be L-A-U-R-A or L-A-R-A? How do you pronounce L-A-R-A? Is that Laura? I'm gonna say Laura. I hope you don't take this the wrong way, Laura, she began slowly, but, well, I've been wanting to talk to you. You really have a very pretty face, you know, and I know it must be hard for you. I mean, some people in the school can be really cruel. I stood there, rooted to the spot, mute. In junior high, she continued, I weighed like 15 pounds more than I do now, and I found this great diet to take the weight off, and it worked. My face burned with rage and humiliation. You want to give me your diet? I don't want to offend you, she said quickly. I just know what it's like to want to lose weight. And you don't know anything, I said in carefully measured tones. You look at me and think you know, but you don't. Listen, just forget I said anything. No, I replied. You listen. A year ago at my old school, I was homecoming queen. I was thinner than you are. Then I got this disease called axial crown syndrome, and it made me gain all this weight. You think I'm just this fat girl that you pity. I didn't mean it like that. Yes, you did, I said earnestly. I know you did, because I was once exactly like you. So yeah, that's this book. And then The Secret Year. Ooh. Julie and Colt. I can read. Julie and Colt were together for a year, but nobody knew their secret love. Then Julia dies. God, I suck at reading. Then Julia dies and Colt's life spirals out of control. He's haunted by her memory, and things only intensify when her journal falls into his hands. Can Colt bring himself to read Julia's diary, or will he live without answers to his burning questions about a romance that changed him forever? So yeah. That happened, and I came home and had boondoggies with my sister and her guy that she's seeing, and her best friend Mel, who's awesome and I love. It's actually kind of funny, like she's so close to our family that like sometimes I come home during lunch, like during the school day for lunch, and she'll be at home just hanging out with my mom. I love it. But yeah. I totally forgot what else I was gonna say. Oh, a bumper sticker that said, like, that one person who knows you better than you know yourself. And I just want to say, I really don't think anybody knows me as well as I know myself. Not even kidding. Like, well, I mean, that makes sense, right? I'm very careful with showing people who I am. Um, yeah, like, I don't know. But, like, I have thoughts about, like, wow, people don't even know. They don't know the first thing about me. Not at all. Not at all. Um, wow. These hiccups are not a fun time. Anyways, I don't really have anything else to say. I guess I'm just gonna go read fucking hiccups. Random hair. I think that fell out of my braid. Oh well. I have nothing else to say, and that is that. I just feel like moving my hand around. I hate the hiccups. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Okay, at this point, it's just not even. Okay. School tomorrow. Not looking forward to it at all. At all. Not at all. Alright, well, I'm going to go and I'm going to read my book. And it's going to be a fantastic time. Tonight was a good night, though. Yeah. Alright, I'm done. Peace out! I was trying to think of something to say after that, but guess not. Okay, bye.